Hey guys, welcome to another video and thanks for clicking on this one. In this video, I want to cover some of the companies that would report their earnings tomorrow. And why am I sharing this? The reason why I'm sharing this is because the information that they put out would definitely impact how their stocks will perform, right? So the first one is Visa. Well, if you've been thinking of getting into Visa or holding Visa, then this may be an opportunity for you. But I wouldn't be surprised if the stocks actually goes higher. Generally speaking, Visa in particular, MasterCard, they tend to be very stable even with their earnings because, hey, they process a lot of interest from those credit cards. Hence the reason why you have to walk away from paying them a lot of money. But instead of paying them, why don't you own their stocks? Visa will be definitely one to consider. Now, their stock price is quite expensive. I'll be honest about that. And that is because the last time I checked, it was quite up there. And I'm like, this might be an opportunity to wait for and watch if it goes down. Currently, at the time of recording this video, the stock price of Visa Inc. is $355. So it's not cheap. And I'm not going to expect it to drastically fall that much if it falls. Because generally speaking, they tend to go up after the report earnings. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. The next one that is important for those of you that may like dividends might be Procter & Gamble. Now, Procter & Gamble, P&G, the last time I checked, the stock price was around $150 something. Let me check again. And yeah, $157. So this is one that if you're a type of person who likes dividends and you're trying to build your portfolio, then Procter & Gamble can be one to consider. Now, the next one that I have here is UNH. You guys have heard about United Health Group, and that is the company that was the CEO got murdered, 3 months ago, was it last year? And they've been in the hot soup for some time now. The Fed's actually investigating them for their billing practices and the likes. Now, I have a very few shares of UNH, but their shares are not also cheap. Their shares around the last time I checked was around $280 something. It's fallen below the 300 level, which 300 level was a very strong support for this stock. But again, they've been in hot water, and this may be a good buying opportunity. I believe UNH, especially insurance companies in general, they're likely to do well in the long term. So if you're somebody who has a very long-term horizon, you may want to watch UNH tomorrow, especially after the earnings. And personally, since I already hold it, I am looking to buy more if it goes down. If it goes up, honestly, I'm just going to stay the same. Now, another big one that I am watching, Boeing. I actually own Boeing stocks, but Boeing has been in hot water as well recently, as we all know what they've been dealing with. Now, Boeing is one to watch. There's a probability that the stock will go up tomorrow. A lot of analysts are predicting what the stock's going up, especially with all these recent crashes that happened, like Air India, the door blowing out, all that stuff. Some of it have been attributed to not be due to Boeing's design issues, let's put it that way. So there's a probability that the stock will go up tomorrow. Now, what am I doing with this one? Honestly, I'm just watching it. I'm not doing much with it. Starbucks, I don't drink coffee, so I don't I drink coffee, but I don't really drink coffee, so I'm not really interested in Starbucks personally. That's just because it's a good company, and I think that it's one that will be around for a long time, but I just personally don't, it doesn't interest me. One that interests me also will be UPS, the parcel service. This is one that the stock has really taken a beating lately, and the last time I checked, it was like around $98, $99. But this was a stock that was around $160, $150 at some point. So it will be good to watch it. I think with the environment we're in right now, there's a lot going on with the freight industry, shipping business, especially with tariffs. So I'm not expecting too good of a result, and this may definitely present a buying opportunity if it goes down. Next one, PayPal. PayPal is one that has been innovating its services over the course of months now, and their stock price has actually gone up. Let's hope that they can actually sustain this by reporting some good numbers tomorrow. These are the companies I personally be watching. There are lots more companies. There's Royal Caribbean Cruises, there's Johnson Controls, there's Merck. There are tons of companies, okay, that will be reporting. There's EA. I'm not going to cover all that because personally, those don't really pertain to the areas that I focus on, or that at least my interest lies. Hence the reason I'm not talking about them in this video. But for you, what stocks are you interested in? What stocks are you watching for, waiting for, and looking for the opportunity to buy? If you found value in this one, please don't forget to drop a like on the video, and I'd love to see you in the future one.